don't know if that's a little pigeon, but if you look up there, right up on top there, behind the light, below the solar panel, there's a little bird nesting. I don't know if it's nesting. I'm gonna go up on these stairs here, see if I can get a better shot without scaring it. So there it is. See if I can step closer. I can't tell if there's nesting material in there or not. That's as close as I can zoom in. I think it's just sitting on the wires. Huh. The wildlife of the Philippines.